know there are lots of social media platforms where you can make money from just by posting your video, your pictures, your reels on this platform. So on today's video, I'm going to be giving out lists of social media platforms where you can make good money from. But before we get started, I am Linda Tony, and if this is your first time coming across the video, hi, welcome to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video, and also share this video and help me to like this video. For my returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back and thank you for always liking my video. So let's get right into the video of the day. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to start from the list to the highest paying social media platform. If I were you, I want to watch this video to the end so I'll know the particular social media where the money is there, like where they have the cash. First on the list here is Pinterest. Yes, you can make money on Pinterest. It's called the Creator Reward Program on Pinterest. So once you post your pictures there or your catalog there and your product hits a high engagement on Pinterest platform, Pinterest are going to reward you, which is known as the Creator Reward Program on Pinterest platform. Another way you can make money on Pinterest is affiliate marketing and sponsored content. Pinterest users can make money through affiliate links and collaboration with brands. The second social media platform where you can make money from is LinkedIn. Yeah, LinkedIn. The idea a lot of people have about LinkedIn platform is LinkedIn is a platform where they can get job opportunity. A lot of people don't know that LinkedIn are also paying some creators there. One of the ways here is through the LinkedIn Creator Accelerator Program. Though this program is limited to selected individuals, so LinkedIn has started offering incentives and funding for creators to encourage educational and professional content creation on their platform. So there are some individuals on LinkedIn platform that LinkedIn are paying, and those individuals, those selected individuals are in the LinkedIn Creator Accelerator Program. So there are just few people that are selected for this earning on LinkedIn. If you are doing well on LinkedIn, you're part of those that are earning on LinkedIn. So most of these platforms are paying, just that you don't know how it works. So I'm here to give you the cocoa. I'm here to give you all the juicy info you need for this. Yeah, so the third one here is Twitch. So here, creators can get money through live stream. This particular platform is all about live stream. If you are good at making live streaming content, then you want to go to Twitch, because Twitch is a platform where creators make money through live stream. And so this is how it works. There are 3 ways you can make money on Twitch platform. So I'm going to be listing them out for you here. Twitch streamers earn money through monthly subscription, with audience subscribing to their channel for exclusive content and peak. So on Twitch here, you can earn money through monthly subscriptions. The second way here is through donations. Yeah, viewers can donate money or give bits, which is a Twitch currency, and this currency can be converted into real money. So on this platform, your viewers can donate to you or give you bits. This bits is a Twitch currency and it can be converted to real money. So that way you can also earn through Twitch. The third one here to earn through Twitch is through ad revenue. So creators can run ads through live streaming to generate revenue on that platform. So these 3 ways are the ways people earn money on the Twitch platform. You can do it through monthly subscription, it can be through donation and bits, and also it can be through ad revenue. So there are so many ways you can earn money through Twitch. Twitch is also making, as in, if you are good with life, like if you're always on live on TikTok, then Twitch is for you. You can also go to Twitch and make your own money there. And though it's a gaming platform, but recently a lot of people are now showing everything about their day-to-day life and that. So if you are good with life, go to Twitch and make your money. The next social media platform you can make your money on is Snapchat. So people make money on Snapchat through Spotlight. What is Spotlight? Like you post your video on your story on Snapchat and it peak, like the video goes viral. A lot of people are clicking on that video, are sharing that video, are talking about that video. Your video got millions and millions of views. That particular video, Snapchat pay for such content. On Snapchat, millions are allocated monthly to pay top performing creators on Snapchat. So if you're on Snapchat and you are doing well, I know they're already paying you, no need of asking you. And also you can earn money on Snapchat through Snapchat ads. This Snapchat ads work this way. Creators can partner with brands or create ads to monetize their content on Snapchat platform. So in this way, creators are also making money on Snapchat. So this is the 4th social media platform I recommend if you are into content creating. And apart from the ones that is more popular, you can go into these ones. There's money there. People are making a lot of money there. Okay. The 5th one here is X, formerly known as Twitter. I know a lot of people don't know that Twitter is paying creators. Yes, Twitter are paying creators on that app there, you see that Twitter app, that X app, they are paying creators on that app. So let me tell you how creators make money on this X app. The first way they make money on the platform is through ads revenue sharing. How does this work? Creators will build subscriptions, and a minimum post of 5 million impressions in 3 months can share ad revenue on ad displayed on their replies. So if you notice, there are some of these creators, when they reply your post, there's an ad that will display on it. Those ads that are displayed on it, that creator is also earning from that ad. So that is one way X users are making money, which is formerly known as Twitter. So another secret that a lot of people don't know is that X made it possible for users to tip their favorite creator on that platform through PayPal accounts, through Cash App, and other features. This is the way that people on X, like creators on X, are making money. Another social media platform where you can make money is Instagram. Yes, you can earn money on Instagram, but how? I'm going to list out ways you can make money on Instagram platform. The first way is that you can make money through Instagram Reels and Play Bonus. How does this Play Bonus work? So Instagram pays creators for achieving certain milestones on their reels. So there's a particular level, there's a particular way your reels will be visible. Instagram will pay you. Another way you can earn money on Instagram is badges on live. Viewers can purchase badges to support their favorite creator during their live stream, and these badges can be converted to real money. Another way here is through affiliate program and branded content. Instagram provides creators with a choice of promoting brands, products, collaborating with brands, and sharing their link on their platform. And in this way, creators can make money also through Instagram. These are the ways you can be monetized on Instagram through your reels. There's a certain milestone your reels will reach. Instagram will pay you for that reels. And also you can go through, you can get badges. Your viewers can also purchase badges and give you during your live stream. You can also get money on Instagram through affiliate marketing and branded content. So these are the 3 ways you can make money on Instagram. 7 or 6, I don't know the number I am right now, but I'll just continue. I don't know that it's 7 or 6, but anyways. So the next one here is Facebook. This is the most popular. Like, we all know Facebook. This Facebook one also has a little bit of similarities to Instagram. There are so many ways Facebook creators can earn money on Facebook. Another way creators earn on Facebook is through in-stream ads. So Facebook allows creators to earn money by running ads in their video. So if you notice, you're watching a video, an ad just played on that video before you continue watching that video. That ad that played on that video, that creator has its own percentage from that ad. So in that way, creators start earning from in-stream ads. Another one here is through Facebook subscription. But this Facebook subscription, I've not seen anybody that is subscribed on Facebook. How this Facebook subscription work is the creator will put a certain amount of money for that particular subscription. So if you subscribe to that creator, the creator will be giving out exclusive content that only those that subscribe to that particular package can be seen. That content the creator is posting on that exclusive platform, other people will not see it except you subscribe. So another way here is through stars. Viewers can give their favorite creator visual stars, which can be converted into real money, and also can also give their creator stars when they post their videos or reels on Facebook. So they can also earn that. So there are various way creators on Facebook earn money. They can earn money through stars, through bonus, through in-stream ad, through farm subscriptions. So that's how they make money on Facebook. So you just have to do what? Put in the work. Yeah, you just have to put in the work. So the next one here, before I talk about the next one, if you are still watching me to this point, that means you are enjoying this content. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also like this video so it can be pushed to wider range of audience. You don't know who you are helping out there. You might be helping someone that really needs to get across this video, okay? And please help me to share this video. Thank you to do so. So let's continue. The next one here is TikTok. Yeah, creators can earn money through TikTok Creator Fund. Here, TikTok pay creators based on the number of views and engagements their content have received. So on this TikTok Creator Fund, that is how they pay creators. They pay creators through the numbers of views, the engagement they have received on their content. Another way here is through TikTok Pulse. This is a program that allows the creator to share ad revenues with TikTok. So they can also earn through TikTok ads. Another way they can earn on TikTok is through gifts and donations. Here, fans can send gifts to their creator during their live stream, and these gifts can be converted to real money. If you notice, if you go to TikTok Live, you see people giving them gifts, visual gifts on TikTok. All those visual gifts are given there can be converted to real money, and most people there on TikTok are making good money on TikTok. So TikTok is another place where you can make money. Okay, I told you guys I'm going to save the best for the last. So I stated this thing according to how you are going to earn. Like, if you like this last one I'm going to call, you know that people are making a lot of money there. It is called what? YouTube. Do you know that on YouTube your first video can be paying you till 20 or 30 years time, as long as social media is still existing. Creators can make money through ads, channel membership, can get money through the super chat, which is the live stream donation. There are several ways you can make money on YouTube, but I just listed few of them. So for you to start earning on YouTube, you have to have 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Then if you want to monetize your channel through shorts, the requirement here is 1,000 subscribers, 10 million valid public shorts in the last 90 days. So once you achieve this milestone, that is how your channel can be monetized on YouTube. So this is all I have to say for today. And if you can as well check all the social media platforms I provided and pick one of them and start making money from them. Okay, all of them are all good. It's just for you to create time and cash out from there. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, write in the comment section it was helpful, and let me know in the comment section the platform you are going to be trying out very soon. Okay, and also I will appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, click on the like button and share this video to lots of people. See you all in my next video. Bye.